brief about the honors program that has been offered by VTU Belgavi, that any student who is admitted in the first semester or first year from the academic year 2018-19 with a USN number like 18CV can always opt for honors program, or any students who has been admitted to third semester that is from the academic year 2019-20 with the USN number 19CV can always go for this honors program. So that means the students, now you are in fifth semester, and hence you can take, because you are the 2018-19 batch students. So therefore you are eligible for this honors. These regulations are also applicable to any of the colleges, affiliated colleges or autonomous colleges, or any constituent colleges that come under VTU. So very objective of giving this honors program. So like honors, HONOURS, like in British they say that, or it is HONORS in US. Maybe so that's what we can tell, that it is honors, that is HONOURS. So whenever if you pass this honors exam, if you get those certificates like 18 credits, so you will be given as in a degree certificate as B in civil engineering with honors. So this the very objective of giving this particular honors is to see that they encourage advanced levels of studies. So the topics are designed such that it will encourage you to take up some advanced level of studies, and also some multidisciplinary learning where you can go for like machine learning, or maybe advanced computing, maybe big data or something like that, where you can try for multidisciplinary learning also. You can specialize into a more focused area of your interest. You can learn new skills and maybe methodologies, like in construction methodologies, particularly in advanced concrete technology, maybe in bridges, like this. Depending upon your area of interest, you can learn new skills, and this also enables your personal creativity. And and also it will cultivate a very sustaining interest, particularly in advanced research and education. However, you know that by taking all these courses, it enhances your professional development and provides a greater opportunity. So at the end of the graduations, that your profession, it increases or enhances your professional development, so that you get more and more opportunities later. So this Bachelor of Engineering degree with honors, which is earned with experience both inside and outside the classroom, so which will enhance you after the graduations. So like all types of opportunities as a professional engineers in the competitive world. So that's the reason why this particular honors is given, and that's the objective of giving this honors by the VTU. So now, so what is that you have to do that? So now each student has to earn at least about 18 additional credits. Though your curriculum is there, you have to complete your curriculum, and apart from completing the credits that are assigned for the curriculum, you should also earn extra 18 more credits, 18 or more credits through any massive open online courses, which you call it as MOOCs courses. So that there, by taking this, it will encourage or it will groom the engineering students so that they become self-motivated, maybe an independent investigator, maybe critical thinkers, or more of a problem solvers, or maybe a good communicators, a good team player, and also makes you an effective manager, or which also enhance lifelong learning. Like this, so AICT has introduced this scheme, which you can earn about 18 or more additional credits. Okay, so that's how to see that the intentions of AICT, the VTU started instituting the award of Bachelor of Engineering with honors from 2018 and 19 batch. So what are those? So you can take some courses through what is known as Swayam, which is a Government of India initiatives. So it is nothing but it is India's national MOOC portal, which provides best teaching learning resources, which was the program initiated by Government of India, and so that these courses are offered at free of cost, where the best quality courses are offered at the free of cost by 9 national coordinators, we have All India Council for Technical Educations, maybe and second the NPTEL or the UGC or the Consortium for Educational Communication, which is CEC, or we call it as NCERT, where National Council of Educational Research and Training, National Institute of Open Schooling, or Indira Gandhi National Open University, or Indian Institute of Management, or National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research. So these were the initiatives. These are the 9 national coordinators which offers these courses, Swayam course. So you are more known to what is known as the NPTEL courses, which is National Program for Technology Enhanced Learning. So this was funded by Ministry of Human Resources Development, Government of India, which is an online e-learning model for giving a better technical education or technical knowledge. And this online courses are designed and executed by IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, and also Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. So you know that there are primarily two types of courses, which is web based and other is the video based. So it consists of lecture notes, or you have a series of videos on different topics of the course. You have to register for these online courses as per the dates that are given by the academic calendar, which is published by the institutes, that is 7 IITs and IAC, which are participating in NPTEL. So generally the courses will be of 4 week, 8 week as well as 12-week courses, which will be offered twice a year. So maybe January to June or July to December. So I think the courses have been left now, so you can register for the January to June courses. So you can register for any number of courses. If you register for maximum number of courses, many number of courses, you can get the free materials, videos, lecture materials, everything. But if you want the certificates, then you have to give the examinations for that. So maximum you can give 4 examinations per semester. So that you have to be careful. Even if you register for 6 courses, you cannot give for 6 courses. You can give for only maximum 4 courses per semester, per sessions, like that. So that means here it is actually joining is free, and there is no prerequisites, no age limits, no entrance criteria, nothing. But you will get all the study material so that you can use it uh, for your enhancement of the knowledge. But only thing is, when you want certification, then you have to go for the examinations. So that is what. So after you enroll for the online courses, you should watch the videos and you should submit the weekly assignments, so that you will you but only thing is, if you want a certificate, you have to appear for the examination, for which it is charged, say, 1,000 rupees, a nominal fee of about 1,000 rupees, and you have to pass the examination with a score of 40%. That is, generally, you know that 25% of the final marks is for the assignments, and 75% is for the final examinations. So the examination score is 75% of the, that is, will be proctored certification examination, which is out of 100. So the students will be eligible only when you get in assignment, you should get more than 10 out of 25, then only the certificate will be eligible. Or in the examination, you should at least take 30 marks. So that means that minimum 30 marks if you get out of 75, and 10 marks out of 25, you get 40, and you pass in the examination and you get a certificate. So these two criteria you have to meet to get NPTEL certificate in any course that you have registered. So this you should know. So that is what the e-certificates will be made available to you, and hard copies generally will not be dispatched. So a certificate with a student name and a photograph and a score in the final examinations with a breakup will be given to you. So now coming to the honors. So that was for the NPTEL courses, where you how to register and what you should do in the NPTEL courses to earn a certificate. That's what I said. Now when you take up NPTEL courses, so now comes to the honors courses. So what you the question is that what is the eligibility criteria for the registrations? So now the eligibility criteria is that the registration to honors qualifications shall start from fifth semester onwards. So therefore, from fifth semester students can start registering for the honors qualifications. So, but the condition is that you have to obtain at least a grade of D in all the courses that you have attempted in first, second, third, and fourth in first attempt only. So you should not get a grade D, E, for example, E or F or something like that, or you fail. So you're out of the honors course. So that is the first condition, that in any of the courses right from first semester to fourth semester, you should at least get a grade D. So A, B, okay, so like that. So you should get a grade where at least you should get a D. So that means you should get more like S grade or S plus grade, like this. So you cannot get a grade which is lesser than D. So that is what is that. So that's the condition for you. And registration should be registrants should also obtain at least CGPA of 8.5, at least 8.5 at the end of the fourth semester. If you are around 8.2, then you are out of the honors course, you cannot register. So you have to see to that you at least get 8.5 grade. But the diploma students can also attempt, provided their CGPA is more than 8.5, but they should have seen to that they have completed additional mathematics 1 and 2 during the third and fourth semester in first attempt only. So then only they can register. Okay, so and maybe there is lateral entry BSc students can also go for such courses once when they complete engineering graphics and designs, or maybe mechanics of first year by the end of fourth semester in first attempt only, and CGPA should be 8.5, and any course cannot be that means you have to have grade at least D. So you cannot have the lesser than that. So that's the condition registration. So however, the any students who has qualified for such that has got an eligibility can always apply through principal whenever the notification comes from the university. So within 10 days time, so yeah, that has to be sent from the college. So you have to, for this you have to pay a non-refundable registration fee as prescribed by the university, like 1,000 rupees they have prescribed. So you have to pay that registration fees. So in addition to the courses, what is done is, whenever you have taken the courses that have been given for the honors courses, but you have to see to that not only passing with 40% marks, but you should see that you can take any number of attempts for completing the course from that NPTEL courses, but at least you should get a final score of which is leading to NPTEL Elite, that is about 60 to 75%, or it is like silver, which is 76 to 89%, or you can take NPTEL Gold, where it is greater than 90%. Okay, so that has to be sure. So that's why they say that in every NPTEL course at least you should get 60% marks. So anything less than 60% marks is not considered as a certification for honors. Maybe you can have it, you can have the certificate, but you cannot claim it for the honors. So students can also drop from the registered coursework and select. If suppose you find one course is difficult, you can drop from that course and take alternative courses, so that you get very good marks in that, more than 60%, and claim it for the honors. So this is what is that. But university has announced some approved list of courses, that is NPTEL, SWAYAM or other platforms. So out of that you have to take the additional courses. So what you have to do is that you have to choose at least the courses which will amount to 18 or more grades from the approved online courses. So that is what is been said. So no point the if you and you have to claim the certificates, and you no point of time that those subjects that you have taken should not be same as the subjects that are offered in the curriculum. Either it may be in the core courses, maybe in the professional electives, or maybe in the open electives. See to that it is not same as your electives or open electives or core courses. Other than that, you have to take and complete your 18 credits. So when I say that 18 credits, so that means when you take a 4 weeks course, NPTEL course, it is 1 credit. If it is 8 weeks course, then it is 2 credits, and if it is 12 weeks, then it is 3 credits. That means to complete 18 credits, at least you should take like 6 courses of 12 weeks. So that two courses of 12 weeks you can take in 5th semester, maybe in 6th semester 2, and 7th semester 2. So that it will complete 18 weeks. Like 18 credits, the 12 weeks of 2 each, that will go to 18 credits and claim the certificates. So there's accordingly you have to plan. You can go for even 8 weeks also, 8 weeks course also. So once you complete this and submit those certifications, okay, before the closure of the 8th semester, then you will be eligible for the honors qualifications. So the principals of the colleges under VTU will be submitting the list of the students who are eligible for the award of honors, with the total credit earned by each students, and the corresponding university corresponding certificates, that's MOOC certificates, that NPTEL certificates, will be submitted at the end by the end of 8th semester. Then the list shall be validated by the faculty advisor, so where will be allotted to the students and also be endorsed by the head of the department. So those who don't submit on date, on or before the last date, shall not be considered for the award of honors. Irrespective, even though you earn 18 credits and you don't claim, then you can't claim for honors. There's also said that the honors qualifications will be suffixed in your degree certificate, so that to see that you have attained higher achievement, that is by taking this advanced course. So that's what I said, that again to repeat, that the students shall maintain a grade of at least D in the courses from 5th to 8th in the first attempt only, no second attempt. Student has to maintain a grade D in all the courses, right from 5th to 8th semester. But if they don't fail, if they fail to maintain a grade, then they will discontinue to have these additional credits, and you should have at least CGPA 8.5 at the end of the program. Okay, so then otherwise if you are somewhere less than 8.5, then you will not be awarded with honors degree. So that's what you will be deregistered from the list. So that's what, again I'm repeating the same thing. So okay, so at least 8 CGPA 8.5, and nowhere this 80 additional credits will be considered for the rank. This is for the affiliated scheme students, because for the rank there's only the curriculum credits will be considered for the rank. Nowhere this additional credits will be considered for the rank. So you know that the notification has come on 1st October. So already have now. This has been said to the students should start for registering for the honors program. So those who are there in the 5th semester level, by paying a one-time non-refundable registration fee of rupees 1000, and you see to that you obtain a grade of at least D in all the courses, right from first semester up to fourth semester in first attempt only, and CGPA should be more than 8.5 at the end of fourth semester. However, my 5th semester students can always take. Lateral entry students can also take these honors courses provided they satisfy the criteria given. So last date for the application for the students at the college is 10 days. Okay. Uh, okay, 10 days. Now already October 10th will be the last date. So hurry up. So you can go to the VTU website and also know about the regulations which I already told, and how to obtain the additional credits also is given in the VTU website. Also it is in our college website, and this is the registration form that you have. You should affix the recent photograph. You should write your name of the college, university seat number, male or female, nationality, year of registration to be honors. Suppose you're taking this semester, so write the year of registration, eligibility as per the clause. Okay, so details of that means you have crossed, you don't have any backlogs, nor you have grades, you have a minimum grade of D and also CGPA, so that all you have to satisfy the clause. So then documents you have to attach, pay the registration fees, and you have to sign and signature of the principal. So that is what is to be sent to the university. So what you have to do is that application duly filled should be sent to the university through principal of the college. Attestation of the copies should be made by the of the marks card should be made by the principal, and you attach. Originals need not be attached. So any incomplete or wrongly filled or unsigned applications will be rejected. So this is the informations of all the registered candidates for BTech honors, name of the college, academic year. Similarly, so all the list of the students have to be given in this sheet, stating name of the students, so university seat number, then the gender, whether which category, nationality, CGPA until fourth semester. So what are the documents attached, so payment of registration fee, so like that. So transaction ID 1000 rupees, date, everything should be with signature of principal, and seal should go to the university. So this is about the process and eligibility. So now you might be wondering what are the courses that I have to take in civil engineering. So we have various board here. For other branches they have to look out for their board, mechanical engineering board or electronics engineering board, like that. So here in this course we have geosynthetics testing laboratory, which is for 4 weeks. Then again we have GPS, this global positioning system surveying, which is for 4 weeks, and reinforced concrete road bridges for 4 weeks. Earthquake resistant design foundations, which is for 8 weeks, okay, which is again offered in September, July to September. That is photo geology and terrain evaluation. Project planning and control is for 8 weeks. Advanced concrete technology is for 12 weeks. Glass and buildings design and applications, and integrated waste management for a smart city, and introduction to multimodal urban transportation system. So like this you have got. So if you are interested in construction management, you can go for project planning and control. Maybe you're interested in where in structures we have reinforced concrete bridges, maybe advanced concrete technology, or if you are interested in transportation, you can go ahead with introduction to multimodal urban transportation systems, like this. Like waste management also we have, and these are the few courses that have been initially given, and maybe later on in the next semester it may be added. Some more courses will be added into these MOOC courses, so that you have got more choice for taking up the honors courses. I also told that you can take multidisciplinary subjects for particularly approved for the civil engineering board, where I told you, like big data computing, cloud computing, database management, maybe artificial intelligence good, or introduction to industry 4, or introduction to machine learning, which is all computer science and engineering course area. And you can also go for mathematical modeling, which is offered by the mathematics department, and few subjects, few courses from humanities also is given, like entrepreneurship is good, like development research methods, or developing soft skills and personality, patent drafting for beginners, like this, or key to professional success. So like this, the courses have been designed, where in the core courses or interdisciplinary courses, for particularly for the civil engineering students. I hope this information is sufficient for you to go ahead for the honors courses. Just carefully plan your courses with the curriculum, so that what the advantage is that when you register for NPTEL courses, your videos will be there in your account, so that whenever you want, you can Saturdays or Sundays, you can go through these videos. When you are literally free during Saturdays and Sundays, you can complete your assignments during Saturdays and Sundays and post it, so that you get a very good score in that assignments. At least you should get very good score. Later on in the proctored examinations also, you see to that you get very good marks, so that at least you should cross 60 to 75%, so that you are eligible for the NPTEL certificates, where you can claim like three credits for each of the for 12 weeks. If you do, you get 3 credits. Like this, six courses you can do and complete your 18 credits. So hope you try to, if any help you want in this regard, and any information, or my faculty are always there to help you out in choosing the courses. I am there to guide you in selecting the courses, particularly for honors. Um, so I have given an insight into all these things, which you were quite confused about how to go ahead with the honors courses. So that's why I had this session to enlighten you about the honors courses that have been given by BTU Belgavi. So I wish you all the best for your success. And I presume that more and more students will take this advantage of completing their NPTEL certifications. It will be useful for the honors courses, as well as also it will be useful for one certification course that has to be compulsorily completed for in our regular curriculum also. By taking these NPTEL certificates, it will also enhance your knowledge, and it will build up your resume, so that you have the brighter prospects in future. Okay, thank you.